This is a tricky Olympiad algebra equation, but I will make it simpler with this method. Solution. So we have x minus 3 divided by x plus 2 plus x plus 2 divided by x minus 3 equals to 25 divided by 7. So what we easily do here is to multiply all both sides, or you multiply through by x plus 2 and x minus 3. So if you do that, I'm going to have x plus 2, then x minus 3 into x minus 3 divided by x plus 2, then plus x plus 2 x minus 3, then x plus 2 divided by x minus 3, which is equals to 25 over 7 x plus 2 x minus 3. Okay, so the next steps here is x plus 2, we cancel x plus 2. So we have x minus 3 multiplying x minus 3. So we are going to have x minus 3 x minus 3 plus, okay, x minus 3, we cancel x minus 3 here. So we have x plus 2 x plus 2, which is equals to 25 divided by 7. So we can easily expand this. So if we expand that, we are going to have s square, okay, minus 3x plus 2x minus 6. Then we close the bracket. So we move to the next steps here. We can also expand these two. So if we expand that, we are going to have s square minus 3x minus 3x plus 9. Then we have plus s square minus 2x, plus 2x plus 2x plus 4 equals to 25 over 7 into s square minus x, your 3x plus 2x, that gives us minus x minus 6. Okay, so that's that. We move to the next steps. So here we are now going to have s square minus 6x plus 9. Then we have plus s square plus 4x plus 4 equals to 25 over 7 into x square minus x minus 6. Okay, so next step here now is we collect the like term x square. So we have 2x square, okay, x minus 6x plus 4x, that gives us minus 2x, okay. Then we have plus 9 plus 4, that gives us plus 13 equals to 25 over 7 into x square minus x minus 6. So the next thing we are going to do here is to multiply through by 7. Let's multiply through by 7. So we have 7 into 2x square minus 2x plus 13 equals to 7 times 25 over 7 into x square minus x minus 6. Okay, so let's expand this bracket. 7 times this, that gives us 14x square. 7 times this, that gives us minus 14x. 7 times 13, that's 7 times 3, 21. Then 7 times 1, that's 7, that's 91 plus 91. So equals to 7, we cancel 7, then we have 25 into x square minus x minus a minus 6. Now, the next step here now is let's expand this side. So we have 14x square minus 14x plus 91 equals to 25 times this. We have 25x square. 25 times x, that's minus 25x. Now 25 times 6, that's minus 25 times 6, that's 115. 150. Okay, so 150. What we do next is to collect the like terms. Let's move all of this to the right hand side. So we are going to have 25x square, okay, minus 14x square minus 25x plus 14x, then minus 150 minus that should be minus 91 equals to 0. Okay, so 25 minus 14x square, that gave us 11x square. 25 minus, that's also 11 minus 11x. So then we have minus 150, then minus 91. So we add together, we have 241. So we have minus 241 equals to 0. Now, let's now solve this using formula method. We have A to be equals to 11, B to be equals to minus 11, C to be equals to minus 241. So we now have our X to be equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac all divided by 2a. So we can now say our x is equals to minus 11, okay, minus 11 plus minus square root minus 11 square minus 4. Our a is 11, then our c minus 241, okay, all divided by 2 times a, which is 11. So the next step now is to now say our x equals to 11 plus minus square root minus 11 square, that gives us 121, then minus 4 times 11 minus 44, minus 44 times minus 241, that is 10,604. Okay, then we divide by 2 times 11, that's 22. So we move on by saying our x is now equals to 11 plus minus, if you add 121 plus 10,604, we are going to have 10,725 all divided by 22. So after this, we can rewrite this as x equals to 11 plus minus, this is 25 times 429. So 429 all divided by 22. So if you look at this now, this is 5. Square root of 25 is 5. So we have 11 plus minus 5 square root of 429 divided by 22. So we can now say our final answer here is x equals to 11 plus 5 into 200 and square root of 249 divided by 22, or let's see, or 11 minus 5 into square root 429 divided by 22. That is the final answer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. Bye bye.